Hey guys, Fruitslinger here with Miss Fruitslinger. Today we're going to do a little bit of a different spin on things and try a treat box from trytreats.com. So let's go ahead and open this up. And our treat box is from Brazil. There's a little card you get with Christ the Redeemer on it. This is our what's inside your treat box list. So some of them I guess we'll read out, others, if they look obvious of what it is, we won't read them out. Oh, wow, okay. I'm not going to pronounce anything correctly for the record. So this is Vovozinaha. I don't know.
By Fevitos.
That's what it looks like.
So it is sweet popcorn made from canjicado, corn, and sugar. It feels nostalgically homemade and has a crisp bite in its light, airy texture. Oh, and it's gluten and lactose free.
Ooh. Looks like a cackery. It's like a tooth.
This is gonna go great because I am horrible at trying new things.
Well, that's interesting.
Oh, that's not horrible. It's you know that cereal? Corn Puffs? No.
I know what you're thinking of, but
Crispy Puffs or something. It tastes like the cereal that we have. That's not horrible.
doesn't taste like much.
You can definitely
Sorry.
feel the sweet and salty together.
No, I just know it says right on it, sweet popcorn.
No. Alright. On to the next thing. I'm kind of scared about this one.
Wow.
Not gonna lie.
Ham flavor.
So
Doquitos.
this is a tasty snack for hours of fun, made with premium ingredients that guarantee the crispiness and deliciousness and distinct ham flavor. The flavor and shell shape makes snack time more enjoyable. We shall see, because I'm scared.
Everything looks like a cereal.
Oh, you can smell the ham. That definitely tastes like ham. Okay. It's a little different.
It's ham.
Like a salty ham.
Oh yeah.
There's lots of salt in that.
Yeah.
Like how many grams?
180 milligrams.
Oh. Watch this. Alright.
Okay. They're not bad. I'd eat them.
Well, good, because I think you're going to eat those all by yourself.
Yay!
Okay. Ooh, my God. Okay.
You don't like it anymore. This is...
That's Crocissimo?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Is it a peanut?
Is a savory Brazilian snack made with perfectly roasted peanuts coated in light salty seasoning. Each bite offers a satisfying crunch, making it an irresistible treat for nut lovers. So this is just straight up a peanut, right?
Oh, how bigger I...
Oh. Oh, it tastes like a Planters original.
I don't like it.
Nope. Why is a peanut crunchy?
Well,
Well,
okay.
okay, so it's a texture thing.
Yeah.
Because obviously we don't have stuff over our peanuts unless it's coated with stuff. But this is different. But the peanut inside is like an original Planters peanut, which is good. It's just the outside that kind of throws you off.
Throws you off, yeah.
All
I would
right.
eat them.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Torcida, maybe?
Yeah. So this is called Bacon by Torcida. It's a bold and crispy Brazilian snack that captures the smoky, savory flavor of bacon in every bite. These crunchy bacon flavored crisps are perfect for satisfying salty cravings and make a great companion for party game nights or a quick snack break. Alright, so this is how the Brazilians party.
Meat flavored cereal.
Yeah. Oh, at least it's small. You're daring. You're going for a couple of them. Okay. It smells like bacon strips for dogs. It has that same smell. Oh,
It tastes a lot like bacon.
I don't know.
They're
Oh, that's too overwhelming. No. Oh, no. Can't handle that one.
not salty, this one, but very much, I don't know, bacon grease taste.
Yeah. I feel like this is how our dog Winifred would feel about bacon strips. Maybe she would love these. Alright, so we got all the hard, crunchy stuff out of the way. We are going with, oh, fantastic, because I love coconut, so no one ever. Okay. So,
By Nestle, though, so.
yeah, and this is Prestigio by Nestle. So it's a chocolate bar filled with coconut with an exclamation mark because I guess they love coconut down there. The chocolate is creamy and the coconut filling isn't too sweet. Together they come together to form a delicious and unique flavor of chocolate and coconut blended together.
They're split in half.
I was
You
just
want
gonna
that much?
take a bite each. Oh my god. It's very heavy. This is a heavy bar.
I like it. The chocolate's good.
Chocolate is good. The coconut isn't overwhelming. It's just that texture thing for me. I don't like the texture of coconut. Yeah.
I'll eat that one. Good, another one by Nestle.
Okay, this is called the Choquito. So it is a chocolate bar with a chewy fudge center and crunchy Rice Krispies. Covered in real milk chocolate. How can you say no? Say yes to the good stuff. Choquito only says yes to the good stuff. I feel like I might like this one because I like Rice Krispies and chocolate. Watch me hate it. Oh, it's kind of like a crisp bar. Yeah, this is good. It's got weight to it also. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. It's a little strong. Chocolate, but
At least it's not dark chocolate.
Yeah.
This is probably my
Oh.
favorite out of the whole box so far. Okay. What are we doing next? Oh my god, I can still smell the bacon on my fingers. Oh. So this is Lolo. It is the cutest chocolate. Delicious chocolate bonbon. Or bonbon. Filled with melted milk. Malted, not melted, sorry. A favorite in Brazil. And a delight for all the sweet lovers of all ages.
What it looks like. Oh,
I don't even know what malt milk is.
keep giving you the smaller piece.
Thank you. All these chocolate bars have got solid weight to it. I'm still chewing the other one.
It's similar to the last one. It's definitely very heavy bite.
That's a lot of chocolate.
Yeah. Not overly sweet, but like it tastes good.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's not horrible. It's just a lot of chocolate. Okay. Oh god, we have 3 things left. Are those the gummies?
Yeah.
So, these are the Yogurt Gourmet by Dory. So, it's delightful yogurt flavored gummy candies from Brazil that are as fun to eat as they are delicious. These soft and chewy gummies come in playful shapes and deliver a, creamy, tangy yogurt taste with just the right amount of sweetness. Oh, I hope it doesn't have a creamy center because I don't know if I can handle that. Is it hard?
The gummy.
Oh.
Covered in sugar, but they're not that sweet. Very light.
It's not,
It's really like a jube.
yeah. There's no overwhelming, like, gummy sensation. Or creamy, whatever. It's not gross. It's,
They're edible.
Baton. It is a delicious chocolate stick. It is the best-selling chocolate for children in Brazil. In the year 2012, it was consumed by more than 17 million Brazilians. You take a bite and I'll take a bite.
Okay. As hard as chalk.
Oh my god, this is heavy too. Wow.
Consistency of chalk.
Yeah.
It's good. It just tastes like regular chocolate, really.
Yeah, I don't even know what to compare that to. Like,
I wouldn't say it's any better or worse than the other chocolates.
yeah.
So I don't know what makes it so popular, but it's fine.
Maybe because it's tiny and cute for kids.
I saved this one for last because I think she's very excited about trying this.
That's purely sarcasm. So this is the Banana Ha. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So it's naturally light, healthy, and tasty snack made from overripe bananas. And these overripe bananas are mixed with sugar to create a highly nutritional snack made especially for those who like to have healthy food at any time of the day. I'm a little scared to try this. Is it wrapped in chocolate? What does it look like?
Like ass.
Oh. Oh. Oh no.
I don't know what to think about that.
It looks like whenever the bananas have been sitting on your counter for too long. Oh, don't even cut that in half. Just take a bite and I'll take a bite.
What am I expecting inside? Soft?
I think it's probably gonna be mushy. Don't tell me your reaction till I try it because I'll get scared and not want to. Oh, already the texture freaking me out.
It's not good.
Oh!
It's so softer than a banana. For sure. It's
Oh!
like a jam. Jelly.
No, so that's like rotted banana.
Yeah, I guess. I don't really know what my favorite would be.
Oh, definitely not that. Oh, goosebumps.
I didn't mind the chip stuff, really. It was good. The chocolates. Yeah, I'd go with one of the chip bags.
I'm definitely going with the peanuts. Because that's probably the most plain tasting thing. The gummies weren't horrible. Chocolate was overwhelming with chocolate. The ham thing, very hammy. And same thing with the bacon thing. I can still smell on my hands. I feel like our dog would love that.
Mm-hmm. So that was our trytreats.com unboxing. I had got a coupon code from our Half Acre Homestead YouTube channel, so thank you for that. And yeah, so back to normal content after this. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.